Welcome the R channel. Today we how to automate compliance reporting with RSA Archer, full guide step by step clearly. To begin automating compliance reporting with RSA Archer, you'll first need to log into your RSA Archer account. Once logged in, navigate to the Compliance Management Applications section. Select the reporting feature that aligns with your compliance needs. Familiarize yourself with the different report templates available in the system. Choose the template that best fits your reporting requirements. Click on the Create Report button associated with the selected template. Fill in the necessary fields such as report name, description, and relevant compliance framework. Next, specify the criteria for the data you want included in your report. Utilize filters to narrow down the data based on compliance areas or risk levels. Now, set up the frequency of your report generation. Decide whether you want your report to be generated daily, weekly, or monthly. Utilize the scheduling feature to automate the timing of your report generation. Once you have finalized your settings, review the report configuration for accuracy. Make necessary adjustments to ensure all required information is captured. After confirming your settings, save the report configuration. You will then want to navigate to the Notifications section of RSA Archer. Set up notification preferences for stakeholders who need to receive the report. Choose whether notifications should be sent via email or through internal alerts. Next, test the automation by generating a sample report. Review the sample report for accuracy and completeness of data. If adjustments are needed, return to your report configuration and make the necessary changes. Once satisfied with the automated report, confirm your settings and activate the automation feature. Monitor the initial automated reports to ensure they accurately reflect compliance status. Regularly review and update your reporting settings as compliance requirements change. By following these steps, you can successfully automate compliance reporting with RSA Archer. This efficient process saves time and ensures consistent reporting for your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.